Hey everyone, welcome back to Query with Jasmine जहाँ हम सीखते हैं one query at a time. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most important parts of working with databases, creating and managing tables. Why does this matter? Because whether you are storing customer information, sales records or any app data, everything starts with a table. We will learn how to create a table, insert data and even view it all using the MySQL command line interface. Don't worry, it's gonna be simple, practical, and based on a real world use case so you can actually relate to it. So grab a chai or coffee and let's get started. Here, for creating a database, we need to use the query as like create a database and the name of the database. Here, I have taken the name as student details and then semicolon. Semicolon is important in MySQL query. Then use student details means we have to use this table and then we need to create the table inside that database. For this, we need to create table student in which student ID int primary key. We will talk about the primary key, foreign key and important things later on. Let's focus on name. Varchar means variable characters. The name must be in variable and characters inside 100. Then email, age, integer. Integer means age in the form of numbers. And then course. Which course did the students took? Which is 50 and semicolon. Next, we will inserting the values inside the database. For inserting the values, we will write a query like insert into student. Then we have to put on the values, student ID, comma name, email, age, course, all the things. Then values and inserting values as 1, then name. Make sure that the name, email, all the varchar characters must be inside a quotes, not double quotes, in single quotes. It represents that it is a string format, not an integer. So keep remember that thing. 21 and then data, science, their course. Similarly, we will write same for others. Now describing and showing the table. The query must be like, for showing the database or table, we need to write the query. At first, we have to use the database. For that, we need to write use student details. Then select asterisk from student, which give us the whole table, which have we inserted the value, named all the things, and then for showing the table or any particular value from that table, we need to write a query as select asterisk from student where age equals 21 and it gives us all the column on rows name within the age 21. Then use of where in MySQL. Where is used to find the particular value or column in the table. Then we need to write as select asterisk from student where the course equals data science and it gives us all the list of students whose course is data science. Like this. See how easy it becomes. Next, मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, learn SQL.